Now what?
And our room is gonna be full again.
What do we need now?
That's it for now. We don't have anything more
I
space.
mean, what else?
Huh?
We need more diapers.
I was going to get more for Charlotte.
Want another pack?
Mm-hmm.
You put it over here.
I'll stay here. This is so last shopping before I gotta give birth.
You want to get a thing?
The what? The what?
The electric car.
Electric car?
What are you doing?
We have croissant, we have Hawaiian buns, we got pizza, we got chicken. I already took some for the kids. May nuts tayo dito. Hot dog. We have pesto basil. We have frozen shrimp. And this one is a crab, salmon meat. And we also have some taquitos, bacon, bread, salsa, and the water, 4 boxes. This one, and coconut water, and the yogurt. And Kleenex. This one. We have thick bacon, and the regular bacon, and a hot dog, and another hot dog. This one is small ones, and the burger patty. We're just cutting the thing. Biting it. Oops. Cut it open. The what? Meron tayong shrimp. Frozen shrimp. Meron tayong crab. Cook na to. I'll just put it in the freezer first, everything, love, and then come back and repack it later, okay?
Not everything, because we're going to have a grill. You know?
Oh, I'll put it in the just in the fridge first.
Leave some steak out.
Okay. To put the pizza in here. I'm just gonna put the crab in there first. I'm not gonna eat it yet. The steak. Oh, I have to do the salmon. Meron tayong
too.
And meron tayong salmon.
Mhm.
The air purifier.
Yeah.
Salmon.
Yeah, I can tell if you're bad.
Yeah.
Look at that. I'm gonna have to go back down there and get one later.
Yeah.
Next week or something.
And meron tayong beef. Steak. And then meron tayong pang stew. Pang stew na beef. And then mabili kami ng clam. Pampagatas. Ayan. I'm gonna cook this one later. So, meron tayong ditong taquitos. Flatbread. Meron tayong pimiento cheese. What is this one? Greek style yogurt dip. And we have also gumbo soup. May gumbo soup tayo. And then meron tayong broccoli cheddar soup. Pangbaon ni Mister. Ha? So, ito lagay natin sa food saver na plastic. I-repack natin yung meat. Yung total bill namin is almost $900. Naka-receive kasi kami ng blessing from the IRS. Kaya ilang months din na food supply. Ilang months na food supply to. Mag-adobo tayo. Ano to? Pork shoulder. Or soup. Gusto din ng mga bata yung pork soup. Each pack. Sealed na siya. Like that. Sunod natin yung meat. Yung pang stew. Wala akong gloves. So, lahat na yung stock natin.